Welcome to How to Factor a Trinomial. We begin from the home screen by clicking on the button Math Calculations. Once we click on the Math Calculations button, it brings me to the Math Calculations screen. You'll notice that the second option is Factor a Quadratic Equation. I will choose that, and you notice that it brings me to the Factor Quadratic screen, and the title is Factor the Trinomial from ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. I have chosen a problem from the book down here, 6x to the 6th minus 19x to the 5th plus 10x to the 4th. You'll notice that our form is ax squared plus bx plus c. So the first step will be the same first step that we would do if we were solving this by hand. We'll factor out the greatest common factor, which is x to the 4th. So the x to the 4th will come out front, leaving 6x squared minus 19x plus 10 as a trinomial inside the parentheses. So we want to factor this part here using the MathPac. We see that in the position of the a from our problem is the number 6. In the position of the b we have negative 19, so I want to enter the negative 19. And finally, in the place of the c, we have positive 10, so we'll enter 10. We click Calculate, and we see that this last part, trinomial, can be factored into 3x minus 2 times 2x minus 5. There is a Help button with a Show Help, and in the help it says by entering the coefficients a, b, c from the standard form, which is given above, the linear factors will be returned if and only if the original equation is factorable. If you start with a trinomial that is not factorable, then no matter how hard you try, you cannot make it factorable, and you'll receive an error message. For example, let's try changing this 10 to an 11. We click Calculate, and you'll notice the message is displayed, could not find integer factors. So this ends the session on how to factor a trinomial using the MathPac.